To make a cotton snuggle sack, you will need 2 pieces of cotton, ideally one patterned and one plain, measuring 21 inches in length by 13.5 in width. You'll need some fabric scissors, some fabric clips or pins, and also a sewing machine, or you can do this by hand. Taking both your pattern fabric and your plain fabric, fold them both in half, good size together. Pin around 3 sides, leaving the top section open. We're going to take it to the machine and using 1/2 inch seam allowance, we're going to sew around these 3 edges, curving at these 2 corners and then cutting off the excess afterwards. So I've just taken them off the machine, and as you can see I cleared the corner and cut off the excess. I also cut off any excess that's around the edges. Now I'm going to take the purple one, the plain fabric, and turn it inside out. So now I have the pattern fabric still inside out with the seam showing, and the plain one which has been turned the right way out really, so that the seam is actually on the inside now. I'm going to put the purple one inside the pattern one. So I pop the purple sack inside the patterned sack, and I just make sure that the seams are lined up on both edges. I've made sure that the purple sack inside is pushed right down and tucked into the corners properly. And then I've taken my fabric clips and pinned all the way around the edge. I've left a bit of a gap here so that I don't sew that to start with. We're going to need to actually put our hand through this section at the end. So I'm going to take it to the machine and I'm going to sew all the way around, just leaving a gap so I can put my hands through at the end. So I've just taken it off the machine and you can see my 1/2 inch seam allowance all the way around, and also I've left the gap to put my hand through. Just trim off any loose threads and any excess fabric that you have, and then I'm going to pop my hand into this gap and pull the bags through. Out, shake them down. So both bags will be facing the way you need them, and you won't see any visible seam on the outside of the bags. That'll all be correct. And then I'm just going to pop the purple bag back inside the pattern bag, so the pattern bag will actually be the outer of our snuggle sack. I've just put the purple one inside the pattern one, pushed it right down, and obviously we've got our little gap here that I used to put my hand through just now, so I'm going to clip that together and then take it back to the machine and sew that up. And there you have it, a perfect summer snuggle sack. I just folded over the edge and that creates a nice little entrance for Harry to get in, and that'll be perfect for the summer months ahead.